What is up? How's it going? Welcome, BTC community, XRP community, Ethereum community, DLT community, crypto community, all the communities out there. Guys, welcome to another DLTalk. How's your guys' Tuesday going? I know it looks red, I know it looks bloody, but hey, believe it or not, there are some cryptos that are up today, and people are buying the dips, and they're holding support at a pretty good range, like the PAC Globals, for example. PAC Global at 002 right now. Banano's been going bananas. XYO's at around the same price range we talked about yesterday. Rune 421, Ravencoin, Matrix AI doing its thing. Hydro at 951, a little bit under 1,000, but it does fluctuate here and there. It is a small cap coin, mind you, but still in the green from where we discovered it. Akash, looks like Akash is having some positive movement. Man, I feel like, you know, it's funny when you look at Twitter, everybody's like, oh man, it's red, here comes the great sell-off, here comes the great 3-year bear market. And then next thing you know, by like 2 hours later, the market's getting bought up or the dip's being bought up. It's a funny time we're in, for sure. I know the big caps mostly are in the red. That's definitely something to look at. I understand. Raven and Kodo in green now. Kodo. Or do you mean COTI? I gotta check that out. Guys, welcome. Let me check out the chat. Are you saying Kodo or COTI? I gotta see what the heck Kodo is. Yeah, I think you meant COTI. Yeah, COTI's doing all right, man. I mean, considering from where we came from at around 3 cents for COTI, COTI's doing just fine. J-Roy Bulldog, and what's up, man? Bloody Tuesday, I hear you, dude. Crawfish XRP, Alchemist in the house. What's up, Alchemist? How you doing, dude? AJ Dill, XRP Joe, Mixed Mix, aka. Guys, appreciate you. Justin Davy Duke, how you doing, man? Is that where it is? Let me see this thing. Oh yeah, man. Dude, this IOTA visualizer thing is crazy. It starts getting so big so quickly. I kind of love it, man. It's a fun little visualizer, that's for sure. Guys, welcome. Let me give you guys a preview of the news we have for today. You have NYAG's $850 million probe of Bitfinex Tether ends in an $18.5 million settlement. SpaceX is exploring benefits of placing Bitcoin on its balance sheet, according to MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor. $37 trillion wealth transfer set to boost Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, says Morgan Creek Digital's Mark Yusko. $37 trillion, guys. Holy cow. Crypto trader Lark Davis says for crypto assets built on Polkadot could skyrocket 100x. And then we got some news from Hydro and also some news from Coil. Guys, the future is bright. I know people are panicking or seeing red and wondering, is it the end? Is it the end? Exponential, zooming out, macro vision. Years down the line, we are still so damn early. Who cares what's happening in just one single day in the crypto space? Unless you're a trader and you're trying to do day trades, or you're trying to make a weekly trade or anything like that. You know, if you're a hodl long-term person, it's just whatever. I buy when it's green, I buy when it's red. But that's just my point of view, that's just my perspective. Not a pro trader, not a financial advisor, and never tell you what to do. Vince724, you are the man, my dude. Thank you for the $12 donation, the €10 donation. You rock, my dude. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Vince724. If you have anything you want to like share with the chat from your side or anything, man, always feel free, dude. You're a great supporter of this channel. I appreciate you. Texas Crypto in the house. What's up, man? Yeah, feeling bullish now. There we go. Exactly, Alchemist, man. I just love crypto. I love digital currencies. I'm buying and holding the ones that I like and have done research on, and the ones that I want to, prospect on in terms of long-term possibilities. Obviously, I have a little trading portfolio, but that's minuscule compared to my hodl bag. Oh yeah, you got a lot of new investors who are just like, oh my god, it's red, it went down 10%, it went down 20%, it went down 30%, is it over? It's like, I mean, who knows? Maybe it is red from here on out. We have been speculating that March would be a red month. Maybe it's coming earlier. Because it's not hard to, you know, predict a retracement when you've had bullish momentum for 3 weeks straight. But who knows, man? We'll have to see. You know, this is pretty unbelievable. We're in uncharted territory. But anyways, long term, zooming out, long term, it's exponential growth for the real boats. And that's what we care about. Which ones are the real boats? Seems like BTC and Ethereum are real boats, right? Binance coin looking like a real boat without a doubt. XRP looking like a real boat. XLM, Atom, you know, those are massive right there. Guys, 15 likes, 13 viewers. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We got the crypto sniper. Buy the dips and load those bags. Maybe the last time you see these prices. Hey man, you're right. Maybe that's, who knows what tomorrow brings. It's early in the week. Something could be, things could pop off on Friday, you know, near the end of the week, you know, but we'll find out, man. Well, I don't think we're done with the momentum yet in this alt season, because this is how, like, a lot of people, I brought this up in Siege's channel, by the way. Siege is amazing, by the way. If you guys don't know of Crypto Siege, I'd check out his YouTube channel as well. But I was saying in his channel, you know, and we've said it here on this channel before, 2016, there was the Bitcoin halving, and then all of 2017 was like a bull market, but it really blew up in a massive way near the end of the year in 2017, and that's really where more people started coming in. Most people started coming in near the end of the 2017 run instead, as opposed to the beginning of 2017. We are at the beginning of 2021. Some people aren't going to be around here at the end of 2021. We might get bought out. Some people might get scared from the volatility. And then you're going to also have new people coming in around the end of the year if prices are popping off like crazy. I'm not saying, you know, the pattern is going to repeat, but it's looking a lot like that. But there's definitely a lot of different factors in this time around compared to the 2017, just because there's just been so much more growth than where we were in 2017. So that should make us more bullish, right? But everybody to each his own. I'll never tell you guys what to do. In my opinion, though, the future is bright. Russell Cohen saying crypto retirement is delayed. What's up, Russell Cohen? How you doing? Alchemist saying bags packed 1 year ago, locked, loaded, not selling. We are almost there. I love it. Shepherd, let's go. ADA, dude. ADA definitely is a real boat in the making. Definitely doing some really special things with ADA. Fun fact, ADA, XLM, and XRP were the only 3 cryptos with virtual conferences, of like pretty big virtual conferences in 2020. I'm sure there was other cryptos that had it. You know, I'm not trying to throw any shade on these other cryptos. I do like my bananos and hydros, you know. This might be this is what's tremendous, is like, you know, people are getting scared of the red, but some people are still in the green from initial investments for some of these cryptos. Hell, you're still in the green from XRP if you were buying XRP at around 17 cent, 18 cent, 25 cent, you know. You're still in the green with TEL. You're still in the green with Solana. I mean, Solana is just, oh my God, Solana is amazing right now. 15.13, let's go. 15.15, let's go. All-time high was at 15.81 in the past 24 hours. Unbelievable, dude. Solana's not stopping. And I think Serum is following suit as well. Yep, Serum is following suit as well. That duo is going to kill it. Guys, 23 viewers, 19 likes. How's everybody doing? Let's get into our first piece of news. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Shout out to the Blue Crew. You guys are amazing. And shout out to Bullzilla, XRP Bags, Crypto Mike, Lady Enigma, everybody out there. Appreciate you guys so much for your support to this channel. We're on our way to 3K and you guys are making it happen. Thank you guys so much. So, New York's AG's $850 million probe of Bitfinex and Tether ends an $18.5 million settlement. A closely watched legal case involving Bitfinex and Tether with major implications of the cryptocurrency industry has been resolved. The 22-month inquiry into whether the cryptocurrency exchange sought to cover up loss of $850 million in customer and corporate funds held by payment processor. The NYAG's office announced the settlement Tuesday, formally ending the inquiry that kicked off in April 2019 under the terms of settlement. So $18.5 million for the settlement, you guys. We proposed that as a part of the settlement agreement, we would disclose both the Attorney General's office to the public and additional information about Tether's reserves on a quarterly basis. Putting aside the Attorney General's characterization of these disclosure issues as misrepresentations of violations of any legal obligation, the Attorney General's office concluded in essence that Bitfinex and Tether could have done better in publicly disclosing these events. So basically, we're going to be getting a settlement and probably an agreement to disclose and be more transparent in terms of their transactions and what they're doing. We certainly hope so, at least with Tether, because yeah, it definitely seems like there's not a lot of transparency when it comes to Tether, and I think following after this, you're probably going to start... This could be the wave of regulation. We finally start seeing the wave of regulation starts coming in slowly but surely in the coming months, which is what the cryptocurrency space needs. It needs to mature. There'll be some bloody, bumps ahead, but at the end of the day, it's all for the best for crypto mass adoption, and that's what we're really looking for, man. Is for these the masses to start really, respecting the rise of this new digital asset class, right? Because right now, a lot of people still look at it like it's a scam or Ponzi scheme or something like that. If it can eventually evolve through these regulations to become, a respected and legitimate asset class, respected in the ways of stocks, I think that's where you're going to see tremendous growth and more people wanting to be involved, right? But at this moment, we're in the Wild West. Regulators are trying to do their thing. The crypto market doesn't care. It does its own thing without the regulators, at least for now. Crypto Squirrel in the house. Are there acorns on the moon? Might have to fill more bags. Yo, Crypto Squirrel, if you like acorns, dude, you should get in on, I'll never tell you what to do, but Telos. Look at that. You can get an acorn from Telos right there. Telos is interesting. It's connected with the EOS blockchain, and looks like EOS is going to be upgrading sometime soon to a new phase of EOS, and some people are saying Telos is going to benefit from it. But I'm not too big on Telos. I was just saying if you like acorns and stuff like that, there you go, man. For Crypto Squirrel. Texas Crypto, I love Solana, man. Been talking about Solana for a good while. Blue Crew knows that. Top of the morning, GDLT. Phase the Nation. How you doing? Guys, 20 likes already to start off the stream. You guys are amazing. Thanks so much for tuning in. I think the stock market bubble is leaking. Yeah, man, it did get pretty red. I'm like that S&P 500 is scary at where it is, right? And then for a lot of these other cryptos, I'm happy that I took profits on MoneyGram because I had a feeling because of this rate, I felt like MoneyGram was really increasing, and this goes to show that the ripple effect really did have a positive impact on MoneyGram. MoneyGram stock just started blasting off post the Ripple partnership, and then now that they're holding off with Ripple until there's regulatory clarity, the price of their stock started going down as well, and I was so lucky to short that. I was really happy to short MGI stock. Gonna buy back in sometime soon and try to just increase my shares, but yeah, had a feeling. I was like, I don't know, I don't think their quarterly earnings report or is going to be as good because they're not using that digital gateway as often. Danny Carney, how's it going? Let me get the music back on, guys. Boris Garlinghouse in the house. What's up, man? Blue Crew. Crypto Pimp, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Appreciate everybody. What's SC at? I saw it was at a penny, so I spent $2. Yeah, man, SC, Sia coin is definitely a little gem to keep an eye out for. Nobody really talks about it, but this one could be a nice gem, man. This could be on its way to 2 cents. You've had an all-time high before of 11 cents for Sia, and it looks like they survived the bear market and just continued building. Market cap at around 409. Who says they can't be a $500 million market cap? Who says they can't be a billion market cap? Sia coin has been in this space for so damn long. My one iffy thing about it is that it is proof of work, but if we're in the speculative phase right here, you know, I think it's very appealing. That circulating supply is a little bit scary, but at least it's all out there. It's not being held in escrow or anything like that. All 41 billion is out there of Sia coin. And I remember checking out like what, you know, Sia coin was up there with Bitcoin and Ethereum as like one of the most mined cryptos back in the day. So Sia coin definitely an interesting coin to look at. Stuart Ross, what's up, dude? Here's a wrench, my dude. With the wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely. Everybody welcome Stuart Ross to the Blue Crew. Guys, 28 viewers, 24 likes. You guys are amazing. Appreciate you guys. We're trying to get to 3K subs and you guys are making it happen. The micro caps can hold stronger overall. It's a 2 million market cap. OVR is a 2 million market cap. Let me check out what OVR is, Stuart Ross. Man, I love the Blue Crew, dude. You guys always introduce me to all these cryptos. It's insane. OVR looks interesting. Interesting supply, that's for sure. Can't wait to check that one out. How's everybody doing out there? Guys, Kin, since we last talked about Kin started blasting off in a big way. I think we were talking about Kin at around 88, like it was 0.00088. It's at, I mean, this is what's to be expected from a low market cap coin, just high volatility. And Kin somehow just randomly got an impulse of volume and really started moving on up. It's at 117 now. I got to do a deep dive on Kin, man, because it might not be considered a security anymore, right? Like it did its thing. It was messy with the SEC, but you know what? They're trying to be better for it. They've migrated over to the Solana blockchain, which is very interesting. I don't know why they left Stellar to go over to Solana. Maybe there's some regulatory issues there or something. I'm not sure. Maybe they like Solana and think Solana is building a better ecosystem. It's a more powerful blockchain. Who knows, guys? You know, we'll have to end up seeing. Lady Enigma, cheers to you. I got my coffee as well. Anyways, SpaceX is exploring benefits of placing Bitcoin on its balance sheet, according to MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor. MicroStrategy CEO says SpaceX is exploring the merits of placing Bitcoin on its balance sheet. 7,000 companies represented at MicroStrategy's recent Bitcoin summit, SpaceX being one of them, which the business intelligence firm hosted to help companies that are interested in buying BTC as a treasury asset. We had people from SpaceX there. We had people from some of Elon Musk's companies. We had people from Marathon there. The ones you would expect were there, but of course, there's an avalanche of private companies, and there were a decent number of public companies and treasurers and CFOs that were lurking. Some don't want to have their names mentioned, as you can imagine, because it's a sensitive topic. Elon Musk is the chief executive of both the space transportation services company SpaceX and the electric car giant Tesla. Tesla made waves earlier this month, purchasing $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Saylor says he believes Bitcoin can save companies from future inflation, allowing them to plug into a revolutionary and superior monetary network. Believes cryptocurrency could rise above expectations and be 100 times bigger than Google or Facebook. I mean, Michael Saylor is definitely a big-time crypto advocate, and you know he's going to definitely be over the top, over the moon, bullish on it. But yeah, man, that's an interesting little tidbit. Of course, SpaceX would be involved, especially if Tesla has, or Elon Musk has already been involved in crypto. Makes sense that SpaceX would be as well, and a lot of other institutions. Especially if you've been following this channel, you guys know all the big tech companies are interested in the space and getting their hands deep into it. Yeah, Crypto Squirrel, I'm excited about Oxy as well, my dude. If you can, keep me in the loop about Oxy. I'm excited about Oxy as well, dude. That Solana ecosystem, I'm excited about. And I love that Akash is on there. That was really fun seeing that on their ecosystem, Akash being on there. I'm really excited about Akash. Damn, Crypto Squirrel, that's crazy. So we got a Twitter post from Coil, I guess since I'm on it here. Coil, one Coil membership gets you access to all creators and publishers, not just one. And then I just posted, I can't wait till everything is Coil enabled, because then that's going to be amazing. That's where you start really having that revolution of micropayments and creators, that relationship between viewer and creator without the middleman. That's what's going to be amazing right there. And then just imagine when everything is Coil enabled, when you can walk into a grocery store and you grab your item and then the micropayments are already spent. When you watch Netflix, watch a program on Netflix and you're just paying for every second that you're watching, and you go, I want to go to Amazon Prime and watch something. You switch over and then you're only paying for the amount of time that you're watching on Amazon Prime. I'm really excited. I really think the subscription model that we know today on the internet is going to be shifted gigantically. You're going to have these platforms that are kind of, like how Linktree is. Does anybody know about what Linktree is? It's like a thing where you can set up all your social media sites and all your websites on one page, right? That's what I think we're going to be seeing here with what's going to be happening with the subscription model that we have, because I don't know about you guys, I'm tired of having to have like pages upon pages of passwords and usernames and which account it is and all that stuff. It'd be amazing if there's just like a handful of them that really just cover a whole broad spectrum. Like imagine Coil being enabled with all these internet providers like the Verizons, like the AT&Ts, and then being integrated with, so wherever you go, whatever you watch, whatever you listen to, you're just paying in microtransactions for the time that you're spending on it, right? Not just like an overall, like you don't need to go, oh, what was my password for this one? No, you can just go straight to the content. That's what I'm really excited about with Coil. So young in their development, but I really think the future is bright right there. And there's probably going to be other companies like Coil, but Coil right now has that first mover advantage, and I think it's going to pay off dividends. Remember, Apple said Coil is like the Amazon Prime of the internet, right? Exciting times ahead for Coil, without a doubt. Guys, 1546 for Solana. Solana's trying to go for it, man. If Solana wants to try to touch 1581 again, that would be amazing. And break through. Let's go see a $16 Solana. Let's go. Yesterday it was just 13 bucks. Can participate in the OCY pre-sale. GDLT, their Twitter is Oxygen Protocol. Here, I'll follow them for right now, for sure. Thank you, man. They had to put 2 L's, is that why? I'll check it out. I'll find it. I'll find it, man. If you want to DM it to me, you can too. Yeah, Solana, beastin'. What's up, Legendary? How you doing, man? Coil kind of makes me think of poo. I hear you. That's funny. Mix, you're beautiful, my man. Guys, 32 viewers and 32 likes. Appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. I'm excited about gaining and losing 30% of my wealth in a month. I hear you, man. Is XVG dead? Possibly, dude. Or maybe it was just great FUD on it, but I'm not too big of a fan of privacy coins because I ultimately think nothing's going to be private. It's going to be all transparent no matter what you do. It's going to be a world of silos that are all interconnected. That's what it's really looking like. You're just going to have complete saturation, just like a flood of all these options that are going to be available to you for whatever type of experience you want in life, and it's going to be interconnected with everything else. That's what it seems like that they're going to want to do. They're just going to want to make sure everything is recorded, everything is traceable. Even if you think you're using a privacy token, this is the thing with privacy tokens. You literally have to create your own type of society that only uses that specific privacy token and that is not somehow connected to the internet. That's where I think you can really get away with the privacy token, but that sounds like a hard life right there. Because all these merchants, wherever you're going to go, whenever you pay for something, those merchants are going to have a trace of that transaction that you made, no matter what, through the ISO 20022 standard, right? Through the XRP ledger and all these other ledgers, all these immutable ledgers, right? It's going to be very interesting. XMR has already been CipherTrace has found a way to track XMR. No crypto is truly private, in my opinion. No crypto is truly private unless you literally create your own separate internet that isn't connected to the internet that we have right now at all. No connection to it. Like, you have to create the ultimate siloed system that doesn't interoperate or connect with anybody and isn't transparent whatsoever. So like, that already sounds like it's impossible, you know? But they're going to sell you a lot on the future of saying, oh, but you have control of your own data. It's all your privacy, all private to you. No. I mean, I'm not trying to get people scared or anything like that. I'm just trying to be a realist here. It's just, think about the effort that it would take to be in a completely private type of society, you know? APL is a privacy coin. Well, we'll see, man. We'll see. Like I said, no matter what, every transaction, like, let's say if you use APL and you go buy it at a merchant, there's going to be a record of that transaction, and your APL, for example, the phone that you have, let's say it's a Samsung, Android, or Apple iPhone, that system is already going to be connected to the blockchain. Apple's going to be connected to the blockchain. Google's going to be connected to the blockchain. Samsung's going to be connected to the blockchain. So whatever platform or app that you're using on top of that system is going to be traceable. And you're going to be thinking, oh, cool, I'm using a privacy token and I can just have private transactions. It doesn't matter. Your Samsung phone, your Apple phone, your Android connected to the blockchain will keep track of that transaction no matter what. And then also the merchant's going to be able to confirm that transaction. The devices that the merchant and you are using are going to be able to confirm that that transaction happened at that place and time. So that's all I'm saying. Like, that's why I'm not a fan of privacy coins, because I think it's more of just like to me, I think it's an illusion of freedom, really. You would really have to create your own private society, and something that's completely out of the internet that we're using today, and on specific devices that you've created yourself. It's a lot of effort to be completely private and off-grid. Yeah, Stuart Ross, I hear you, but what devices are you gonna be using when you're connecting to that private marketplace, that supposed private marketplace? The Samsung phone is going to collect all that data that you're using on that private marketplace, if you're using a Samsung phone to access that private marketplace. Do you guys see what I'm getting at here? Like, think of, like, you literally have to, there has to be like a tech company that is fully committed to creating its own separate internet that is in no way, shape, or form connected to the current internet, and thus you're also going to be creating your own separate devices. You have to create like a whole different separate society that is just committed to that one aspect, and that's a lot of effort, man. I mean, if people want to push for it and it's gonna happen, if it happens, that's amazing. But the way it's looking like, it looks like the world is gonna be more connected than ever, and interconnected, interoperable, and all traceable. You know, hell, I don't do like I don't really care about the traceable factor. The only time I do care about the traceable factor is if they're using my data for stuff that I don't know about, and that sucks. But at the same time, I'm not a bad person. I'm not doing bad things. That, like, trace me all you want. Like, you want to know that I just bought ice cream on this day, then fine, you know. Yeah, exactly, Alchemist. It's like, you would just have to be so committed to that private lifestyle, and that's, you know, kudos to you for doing it. But you would have to find like a whole society and like a whole different world that is just committed to that one type of ideal. And then thus you are totally not connected to the world that's out there that is all interconnected. You know what I'm saying? Stuart Ross. Is Coil a good time to buy now in Uniswap 70 cents? Is this the Coil you were talking about? No, G Humpty, Coil is not a token. Coil is a micropayments platform, decentralized open source micropayments platform that uses digital assets as a means to send those micropayments. The major one right now being XRP, but you can decide, like the people who are coiled enabled can decide to send the micropayments in whichever way they feel like, and the people receiving it can decide to receive the micropayments in whichever way they decide. I'll show you guys Coil right now for new members that are here. This is coil.com, a new way to enjoy content. Yeah, this is what their ticker or their extension kind of looks like when you're watching stuff. So they have a Coil extension. They have a Puma browser, which is kind of like their version of the Brave browser. But you don't earn... I guess you do earn micropayments, but it's mostly if like people who are using Puma or Coil enabled are viewing your content. Like right now, there's probably people in the stream that are Coil enabled sending micro donations, and once they leave the stream, it stops sending me micro donations, right? And then once they come in, so it's like basically they're like, I appreciate those who are watching and sending micro donations through Coil. I really think this is, you know, first mover advantage. This is the first the type that I know of that has like a good amount of people that are enabled using micropayments and looking to pay you know, microtransactions to content creators. You can also make your specific website Coil enabled, so when people visit your website and the time they spend on your website, you know, you get micropayments. Coil is also like home to a lot of bloggers. There's a lot of people who blog using Coil, and so when you read a blog, you're paying for the time that you're spending reading it. Coil is also on cinnamon.video. I need to get back into Cinnamon, but it's just been kind of tough because the lack of reach, and I really would like for them to have a live platform. I don't understand why they don't do Cinnamon live yet. So yeah, it says stream live coming soon. It looks like Cinnamon has actually changed up their branding a good amount too. They look a little bit different right now than what they did before. But yeah, Cinnamon, we'll see what ends up happening with the Cinnamon video. But yeah, I can't wait till you can stream live on it. I think I would definitely use it a lot more once you can stream live. But this is a Coil enabled platform, and it's like a decentralized YouTube, basically. So we'll end up seeing what happens there with Coil. Guys, appreciate everybody tuning in. Rune is going on one for right now. Who else is running? Oh, XBAR, man. I posted up on the Discord at XBAR. It was at around 0075. I was like, eyes out on XBAR. We got the bounce right here on XBAR. 008 now. Not too bad. Sol taking a little bit of a breather. Banano. I don't know if you guys know about Banano, but this one's an interesting one. I won't say that it's a real boat, but it definitely seems like something that's pretty appealing. I guess, to the meme society in crypto. There's been crazy high volatility on it recently, but it's like, you know, that's what comes with the territory for a microcap coin. Banano is a feeless, instant rich in potassium cryptocurrency powered by DAG technology, disrupting the meme economy. And Banano is like, supposedly it's using a similar type of technology that you have with like the HBARs, the IOTAs, the nanos, specifically nano, hence why it's called Banano. But yeah, the website really doesn't take itself too seriously. Apparently you can create your own monkey through it. Like once you create your own wallet address, it also makes like a monkey for you. It generates a monkey. Like right here, you can do randomize, generate, and look at that. Like once you create like an address, and then it creates like a monkey for you or whatnot. I mean, this reminds me of like CryptoKitties, don't get me wrong, and this is like totally S-Coin territory. But it's nice to see that they have you know, some plans for 2021. You know, that it's like based on a lot of humor. I like that they're, you know, being funny about it, but this totally could be a scam. But it looks like just something fun. I like the way that they set it up. Banano, why not? For the memes. And it's been killing it right now. It's been killing it. Yeah, Banano's going bananas right now. I mean, when I found Banano, it was like, let me see, where was it? Yeah, it was around, it's around basically at the price that it is right now, right? Maybe a little bit less. And then Kin's just not stopping. Holy cow, man. Kin, people woke up on Kin. I think people are like, hey, wait, there's nowhere to go but up with Kin. I don't know. I gotta do more research on Kin, that's for sure. Guys, appreciate everybody tuning in. So let me go into the next part right here. Project Hydro, we're happy to announce the beta release of Hydro chess game to our able community. It will be tested by community testers for a couple of weeks before releasing it to the public. I think we got to start streaming some Hydro chess games sometime soon. We used to stream a little bit of chess matches with XRP Bully. XRP Bully, we got to get back on this, man, and maybe play through Hydro's decentralized crypto chess. Most random thing for Hydro to do. I don't know why this was such a priority for Project Hydro to do, but maybe they're looking on just like this is the beginning step into the gaming realm for Hydro, which would be amazing. I like the tagline, if you're not big enough to lose, you're not big enough to win. Project Hydro, man. This could be a very exciting week for Hydro, just saying, because on the 28th, going into March, it's going to be a different supply, right, for Hydro. And of course, I think they're going to swap our token. Like, if you're holding some tokens, they're just going to, you know, count it in the same way that, like, the way they'll transfer it is, let's say if you have like 1 million Hydro, I think it'll end up becoming like what, 100,000 or 10,000 after the supply reduction, because they're going from like 11.1 billion tokens to 111 million tokens. Simple. Nerds like chess. Exactly, Legendary. Scared money don't make no money. Exactly, Alchemist. Zill's looking fire. Let's check it out, man. I'm surprised Zill, like, I guess it's because there's mostly micro coins now on this list, that's why Zill hasn't really popped up on the hourly charts as much, but let's see. Where's Zill at? Come on, Zill. It's got to be on this list. I don't know why it's not popping up. Give me a sec. Yeah, Zillica's on here. Oh, it's in the red, but I mean, at this price, Zillica looks really good, right? Wasn't Zillica at like 15 cents or something like that, man? Holy cow, this actually doesn't look too bad for Zillica. This looks like a really tasty dip for Zill. I think you might have bottomed out right there, and now you got the bounce back up. You're probably going to have a retracement up to, I'm going to say you'll have a retracement back up to 12.5, and then probably see more selling pressure coming in. But that's not a bad dip right there for Zill. Guys, appreciate the 40 likes on the stream. Amazing, man. You guys are like the Blue Crew's just MVP for sure. Oh, we got Work Until I Die in the building. What's up, Work Until I Die? How you doing, man? Guys, if I missed anybody who's like tuned in or said it or has said hi or anything like that, please forgive me. I try to read all the comments, but now it's like the Blue Crew's just getting bigger, and it's just hard to do the news and then look back, and then next thing you know, like the whole comment section is like changed completely. Yeah, every transaction seen. You can be tipped through Brave Browser. Yep, we can be tipped, but you're not. See, that's where Brave Browser really needs to step up. I think once you can do micropayments of BAT to content creators, that's gonna be sick. Cause like that's what I like about Coil is that you don't have to like you already understand that you've paid a monthly subscription for it, and so now you can just go out and then support content creators through microtransactions. You don't have to jump through the next hurdle of going, okay, now let me go to the super chat button, press it, let me enter the amount that I want to donate and all that stuff. It's like, no, you're already sending micropayments. You don't even have to think about payments, right? Obviously, you know, sometimes people want to, you know, donate more than just the micro payments that they've sent. And so they do go through those hurdles, and, you know, to each his own. But that would be great if BAT or Brave started really enabling micropayments. So when you're going to specific websites, but that would mean Brave would need to be like enabled with like all these platforms, right? So there maybe there's some websites or platforms that would be Brave enabled, so then you can send BAT microtransactions. But there's some people who don't want to send microtransactions at all, right? So maybe that would be an interesting thing for Brave to really tackle there. Live Art, cheers to you, my man. You're fire, my man. Thanks for tuning in. John Doe, what's up, dude? G Humpty, thank you, my man. Thanks for your support, dude. Hydro community, very welcome on this channel, without a doubt. All the communities are. We're just trying to find which cryptos we like hearing from the Blue Crew. You guys educate me very much. Work Until I Die is like, all right, I'm going back to lurking. I hear you, my man. Cheers, everybody. Auntie Val in the chat. What's up, Auntie Val? 43 likes, everybody. Thank you guys so much. Thanks to any new subs to the channel. Thea D saying, here's Phantom's partnerships. Okay. Yeah, Phantom I've seen in a lot of PDFs sometimes too. Oh, contracts with verified source codes. Opus going down significantly from yesterday. High volatility, of course. I mean, it's not even $1 million market cap. I would love to know if Opus is the real deal, because if it is, that could be a great opportunity right there for Opus. Should humans regulate AI? AGI. AGI, man. Super bullish on that one as well. So crypto trader Lark Davis says for 4 crypto assets built on Polkadot could skyrocket 100x. Let's see what he thinks. So let's see. Let me get the music back on. Okay, so Ocean Protocol. They're a close partner with Ocean, which is one of the biggest Polkadot-based data markets. Yeah, Ocean's going to blow up, I think, for sure. I can agree with that one. What else do we got? Man, I want to actually look at what Ocean's price is. What other ones was he talking about? Uniswap? Okay. Kylan? What is Kylan? Is that a real one? Let me see this. No, that's Colon. Let's check out Ocean. Let's see what's going on with Ocean Protocol. Guys, Ocean's going to be big. Ocean's part of the... In the same way that I'm excited with Akash, Ocean Protocol is connected to so many of these big projects. It's not only connected to Polkadot, it's connected to Atom, connected to Cardano, connected to XRP-L, the XRP-L's Interledger protocol. They ran one of the ILP workshops. Big Chain DB, the creators of Ocean Protocol. Ocean Protocol under $1 is a beautiful opportunity in my personal opinion. I don't know how much further down it's going to go, but I am so excited. I'm actually going to try to get this dip personally. I don't know how far down it's going to go, but I like it under $1. That's for sure. Ocean Protocol, I think in the future is going to be really big. That's a good long-term hodl one, in my opinion. Johnny Morales, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Thanks for the $9.99 donation. Appreciate you, my man. You're amazing, dude. Thanks for your long-term support to this channel. You rock, my man. Johnny Morales. If you have any shout-outs that you want to make or anything like that, man, feel free. If there's a crypto you want me to look at as well, let me know. Uni, AAVE, Link, Oil, Gold, Silver, YFI, Sushi. It's Andre Crone project. Okay. Thea-D. Thea-D's got her portfolio all set. Hell yeah. GD71, what's up to you, man? Yeah, Phantom does sound super exciting. Phantom could be one of those boats that hasn't taken off yet. Let's see what's going on with Phantom here. Maybe it's just, it started its ascension. You had an all-time high of 52 cents. Oh, so it's in like price discovery mode now for Phantom, huh? Where was it when it started? Where was it like 12 months ago? Damn. I remember seeing that at 2 cents. Holy cow, man. Phantom did take off in a big way. Still could, right? Still could. It definitely is an interesting project. I've seen it paired up on a lot of like... I've seen it paired up in PDFs that have had like things with HBAR and XRP on them. So Phantom could be one to keep an eye out for. Guys, we got a Solana at $15.66. Let's go. Come on, Solana. Get to $16. Show that the market isn't completely red today. Show that there's still some gains being made on certain cryptos. ETH bridge, cross-chain bridge too. Yep. Gotta love those interoperable cryptos. Crypto Squirrel saying shout out to GDLT. You rock, man. Exactly, love, live, heal. The first video is just the first step. So Johnny Morales saying, I don't know if he covered Algo just yet, but let's see what's going on with Algo. And let's take a look at its chart. Yeah, 97 cents. Okay. I mean, I love Algo. Algo for sure long term. This might have not been a bad dip right here. I'm just gonna... Let's see where we came from first. Yep, the journey to $1 that began. We already went way past that. And now it looks like we're back in the channel, which is not good to see. Let me take out all these drawings. Let me go to full screen. Let's take a look at Algo. All right. Yep. I mean, it looks like Algo just hit the resistance and then got rejected. Here's your long-term look. So, I mean, worst case scenario, let's look at the fibs right now from the impulse up. See what percentage we're at. Okay, let's go from this impulse here to the close. Just... yeah, you're around that deep retracement zone for Algo. This could be an opportunity for a pivot back up. And I would say it would probably stop and get rejected at around here. You would probably get algo to go back up to 125 possibly, and then maybe get your next impulse down. You could, wow, maybe you see down the line a 70-cent algo again. That could be a possibility. We could be on the way down for algo, at least for the short term. Could be getting itself prepped for end of the year amazingness, right? Or in the summer. We got to expect these retracements, you know. Let me get the music.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I mean, you could get just impulses back up towards the upside and it's just going to be major bullishness from there, like where it really is just going parabolic, right? And if it is just mainly going parabolic, you're going to see this. Probably worst case scenario is around here, for real. Like if you believe that it's still going parabolic towards the upside, this could be the time right here where you accumulate some algo and then see it try to go back up towards the upside. I like just giving options because, you know, the market is just, sometimes there's global catalysts that will drag it down. You know, people say, oh, no way it's going to go to 60 cents or 70 cents again. No way algo's going to do that. It's been too good. You know, it's like, well, you know, there's other catalysts that come into play. Like, you know, obviously it has a bright future ahead of it. And in the macro perspective, yeah, like these prices are just, you know, minuscule compared to the prices that algo will be one day in the future. But we could expect some short-term volatility. It is the crypto space, after all. But yeah, you're right. Last scoop right here was at 80 cents. Buyers started getting it. This could be the moment where you do buy in, and then you're going to see some nice... you'll see a nice retracement up. I think it's going to go back up to maybe around 125 before you see the other sell-off happen. And if it breaks past that, then yeah, you're going to be going back up and then testing the resistance at around 171. Maybe you'll test the resistance at around 153 and then go towards the downside. Or you're just saying, hey, screw this ascending, broadening wedge. We're breaking out towards the big time. COTI did it. COTI broke out in a big way, right? It broke out above it. I wonder if COTI snuck back into that channel. It was nice seeing it break out, but maybe it snuck back in. Oh man, yes, dude, COTI's doing it. COTI's doing what we... Okay, so we were like, it broke out, and now it's testing that former area of resistance. COTI's looking really nice if it bounces right here. If COTI bounces, it's game on. Quarter coming. Let's go for a quarter for COTI.
It sound right, boy.
I was successful in moving my Hydro off CoinX into the Atomic wallet. I loved hearing that work until I die. Did it cost you a lot, though? Did it cost a lot of Hydro to make it happen? Because of the fees and whatnot? Guys, 47 likes, 42 viewers. What's up, everybody? R&B, what's up? How you doing, man? Yadman Crypto, what's up, dude? Here's a wrench. With the wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely. Everybody welcome Yad Wrench, or Yadman, to the Blue Crew. Love Live Heal saying I missed out on ADA. Oh man, gotta love ADA though. FTM plans to be the B solution to ETH. I mean, Thea, that would be amazing. I mean, it looks like there's a lot of B solutions to ETH though, right? Like ADA, Polkadot, Atom, Solana. I mean, there looks like there's just a lot of competitors. Hell, Binance, right? Binance looking like the main competitor to Ethereum right now. With the growth of its Binance Smart Chain and what's going on there. But I'm not discrediting Phantom. I'm just saying there's a lot of competition to be a B solution to Ethereum. check out TVK and Superfarm. I think we have Superfarm on the list, if I'm not mistaken, but I'll check out TVK. Oh, dang it. I thought I had Superfarm on the list. I've heard about Superfarm. I looked at it. And then TVK. Yeah, I've been hearing about Terra Virtua, but I gotta look into this one maybe a little bit more. That doesn't look too bad, actually. On Bilexy. I don't use Uniswap, by the way, guys. I don't have a Uniswap account or use Uniswap. I just have like tons of other exchange accounts as well. So I'll probably be, if I do get some of that TVK, I'll probably get it on Bilexy. Not too big of a fan of the Ethereum ecosystem for right now. I do hodl some Ethereum, but not too big of a fan. I think what we're seeing with the Ethereum ecosystem is a lot of excitement, and like the developments are amazing, but I think once you start seeing these other smart contract platforms that have way cheaper fees and maybe probably better governance, better scalability, more security, it's going to be like the next upgrade. It's going to be like the 2.0, 3.0 versions of, you know, this whole, you know, what Uniswap's doing, what the NFT movement is doing. It's going to be amazing, man. We're just in the early innings of this digital asset class, that's for sure. Alex D Vlogs tonight, my dude. One of these days, it's going to be completely right, you know. One of these days. Tonight, my man. Binance Smart Chain is from ETH. Okay, I hear you, Theod. I mean, they'll all be interoperable, and Ethereum will probably have a good transition to Ethereum 2.0. But I hear you. I mean, if Theod feeling very, very bullish on Phantom, I'll have to look into it and do a little bit of a deeper dive onto it. My gosh, Banano going bananas. Banano at 002. And Kin, not doing too bad as well. Solana, we love Solana on here. Theod, Phantom's doing its thing at 45 cents. Serum, not looking too bad. Track, we were talking about Track at 40 cents, now back up to 43. 40 cents might be the floor for Track. We'll have to see. Might go into 38, maybe 35 cent range. Akash, loving Akash, man. I'm really excited about Akash, that's for sure. XDB under 3 cents. This could be a good little dip right here for XDB. Not too bad at all. So $37 trillion wealth transfer set to boost Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, says Morgan Creek Digital's Mark Yusko. The co-founder of cryptocurrency hedge fund Morgan Creek Digital says millennials will forever change the financial landscape after inheriting trillions of dollars from their parents. My generation is going to transfer $37 trillion to the millennials. $37 trillion. And it is just going to be invested in IBM. And it isn't going to be invested in IBM stock. It isn't going to be invested in government bonds. It isn't going to be invested in even Tesla. It's going to be invested in DeFi. It's going to be invested in Bitcoin. It's going to be invested in Ethereum. It's going to be the greatest wealth creation we've ever seen in the world. Yusko says the difference between the new generation and their parents are stark. By and large, he says the older generation will continue to use traditional brokers like Merrill Lynch, own gold, and view Bitcoin with skepticism. Meanwhile, millennials are on the entirely different page, says Yusko, setting the stage for a wave of crypto asset adoption and a generational shift away from precious metals. Ask anyone under 35, who's your broker? What? And they'll say, what do you mean? I got Robinhood. Ask them, how much gold do you have? They'll say, are you kidding me? The pet rock? Are you kidding me? Ask them, how much Bitcoin do you have? I don't want to talk about it. Why not? Because it's really big percentage of my net worth. Pretty funny what Mark Yusko is saying right here, but I'm a fan of precious metals personally. Guys, 51 likes already on the stream. You guys are amazing. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We're going to be wrapping it up soon. That was our last piece of news. Let me give you guys a preview of the news we went over for today. New York Attorney General's $850 million probe of Bitfinex Tether ends in an $18.5 million settlement. SpaceX is exploring the benefits of placing Bitcoin on its balance sheet, according to MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor. $37 trillion wealth transfer set to boost Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, says Morgan Creek Digital's Mark Yusko. We got crypto trader Lark Davis says 4 crypto assets built on Polkadot could skyrocket 100x. And then, of course, we looked at some stuff on Twitter. Project Hydro's releasing a chess game. Coil saying, imagine if all content creators were Coil enabled or something like that. Being able to send micropayments to everybody. This channel runs on Coil, or is Coil enabled. We talked a little bit about Banano. It's kind of a joke currency, but could be a little bit of fun. And I mean, the prices have been going bananas for Banano. If you're into that type of thing, I like trying to find ones that are at least real boats that have real utility. But the speculative ones are fun to speculate on, like the Bananos, like the OPTs, and whatnot. But who knows if they're really real boats or not. We just try to diversify. We love this space. We love all these digital assets. We love the Blue Crew. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another DL Talk. Thank you, BTC community, Ethereum community, the XRP community, XLM community, ADA community, Death Plays Games. What's up, dude? Here's a wrench. With a wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely. Appreciate you, my man. What are your thoughts on the legitimacy of Hydro? Do you think it's good to invest in them for long-term 2 to 3 years? Death Plays, I don't give financial advice and I'll never tell you what to do, but I'm holding Hydro super long-term for sure. Thanks DLT community, crypto community, all the communities out there. Guys, the future is distributed ledger technology and the future is bright. I'll see you guys in the next one, possibly for a DLT late night live stream, maybe an afternoon Blue Crew stream. Who knows? We'll see how the day plays out, but appreciate y'all. I'll see you guys very soon. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Have a good day. Adios. Love Cosmos too. Once again, Johnny Morales and Vince, thanks for the donations, you guys. Thanks to any new subs. I'll see you guys. Adios.